Just found your channel. Recommend somebody do with no experience. Where do you start? Okay, I get this question a lot. The first thing you want to do is become a geek. I have a free course where I talk about this. Free to sign up and check it out. I'm about to tell you a summarization of what's in this course. You don't have to get in there, but I would highly recommend you do this. I talk about how to get into cybersecurity, types of beginners, become an IT geek, from IT professional to cybersecurity. There's levels to this, as there's a common body of knowledge. This means there's certain things you need to know before you get into cybersecurity, and one of those is basic IT, basic information technology. How do computers work? And you need to know how to troubleshoot something if it does get fixed. But here's another place. CompTIA is a great place to get certification, but it's also a great place to learn. So if you don't know anything at all about computers, if you're starting from scratch, one of the places you can go is CompTIA.org and go here to CompTIA IT Fundamentals. What it does is it teaches you all the things that you have to know as you're getting into this career field. IT concepts and terminology. Look at this. This is a big one, by the way, because a lot of times they'll be talking and you won't know what they're talking about. Infrastructure. What does that mean? Like, how do computers network together? Wireless networks, database fundamentals, basics of security. These fundamentals are a great start. And as a matter of fact, they're foundational, because before you get into security this deep, you have to know the basics. This can get your foot in the door. Something like this can get you to the point where now you know whether or not you want to pursue this. After this one, you'll do something called an A+ certification, which is much harder. It's not just fundamentals. It's not just terminology. It's actually hardware and software components. That's where you're probably going to be building systems, because you got to learn to troubleshoot them, and not necessarily building systems. You don't even have to go that deep, to be honest with you. You do have to know how to troubleshoot, and to do that, you have to know how the computers work. And once you know how the computers work, then you go a step further, which is Network Plus, which is learning how to network those things together.